Alright, so Ricky Repairs back at it again. What we're doing today is replacing the speakers. This one right here. And first you have to remove the panel. Before you do that, you have to remove this door handle. And there's a 10mm bolt that's holding it. Alright, so it's that one right there. This one. All you have to do is remove that. Alright, just gotta remove it. After that, just go ahead and pull it out. Just put it on the safe side so you don't lose it. After that, there's 4 bolts. There's 4 Phillips screwdrivers that you have to remove. This sucker right here. That one right there. And there's 2 in the bottom. That sucker right there. That one right here. That one right there. After you remove those 4, you are able to remove the panel. This one right here. Alright, let's go ahead and remove those 4. Alright, so after you remove those 4 Phillips screwdrivers, all you have to do is lift it up. Let's go ahead and wiggle it. There's some connections there. Actually, before you remove it, you have to remove this sucker right here. It just comes off. So there you have it. After that, just go to remove it. And here's the speaker removing. There's 4 bolts holding it. One right here, one right there, one right here, one right there. As you can see, there's some 2 bolts missing. All right, let's go to remove the speakers now. So, alright, in my other video, I show you how to check your speakers, if they're good or not good. This were blown, so we're gonna replace it. This has 500 watts. This other one has 350. Alright, so let's go ahead and replace it. So this one's connected to the amp. This is negative. The one without the line normally is positive. That's how you should install it. And these are the original ones, which was chipped off for whatever reason. Alright, so the positive for this one is going to be this one, the yellow line. Negative is this one. Alright, just going to reinstall this one. The new one, same thing. Negative and positive. Alright, so there you have it. Now we just have to reinstall everything. The door panel. Alright, don't forget to connect this little connections for the window and the door lock. So we're also replacing the rear ones. Alright, let's go ahead and do that now. Alright, so here we go with the back ones. This one has less bolts compared to the front ones. Just have to remove that bolt right there and a 10mm, same thing. That one right there. After that, all you have to do is wiggle it and pull it up. It should come off. Alright, let's go and put it in a safe place so you don't lose it. also this Phillips. I went ahead and removed it already. After that, should be able to remove it. Just wiggle it. Just come off. But before you're able to completely remove it, there's a connection right here for the window. Just go down and plug that. It's located right there. Just go down and plug that. Alright, after that, just remove it. And the speaker we're replacing is this one right here. Alright, let's go ahead and remove that. Alright, so there's supposed to be 3 bolts, but this one only has 2. Alright, so the problem is we have blown speakers. To remove the 2 bolts, well, 3 in total. Let's go ahead and pull it. Disconnect this. Alright, so this guy has this connector right here still. But we have blown speakers. In my other video, I show you how to test the speakers. So this one is positive. No, I'm sorry. It's negative. The one without the line is normally positive. The one with the line is negative. Let me show you real quick. And the darker line right here is positive. The one with the lighter is negative. So we're gonna unplug it from there. Let's go to remove the tape. Let's pull it out. Alright, so I already showed you how to test your speakers. Alright, let's go get the new ones. Alright, for this one, I'm gonna make a connection. Alright. Use these for negative. So there you have it. Let's go ahead and tighten it with your pliers. Try to remove it. It won't come off. So that's how you know you have a good connection. Alright, so we have our negative. Now we have to make one for the positive. Same thing with your pliers, just go ahead and tighten it. Alright, just try to pull it off. As you can see, it won't come off. That's how you have a good connection. Alright, let's go ahead and connect our speakers. Remember, the one with the white line is a negative. Let's go ahead and connect it. So for they're loose right here, just go ahead and tighten it a little bit. My speaker is a negative for some reason, it's smaller right here. All you have to do is just play around with this. Just tighten it a little bit more.
Make adjustments.
so I'm trying to pull on it, it won't come off. So yeah, just go ahead and play around with this. Once it's nice and tight, you should be able to connect everything back in. Alright, so as you can see, the original just only have 3. One right there, one right here, one right here. But the aftermarket has 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm gonna try to just hold the 2 bottom ones. This one right here. You could go ahead and drill a new hole if you want. Alright, so there you have it. I just have these 2 bolts holding it, but it's in good place. No movement. So basically right now, everything from the front and back on the right side, passenger side, is plain. So you have just one connection, connects us here, and then after that, this connects to the amplifier, to the amp. All right, so in this case, we're just gonna leave it. I was gonna connect the front ones with the front only and the back with the back only, but I'm just gonna keep it this way. All right, so it's my first time playing with the amplifier. As you can see, I have a connector right there, then right there. So I guess you have to have it in the correct channel, which, yeah, I'm not an expert on. So now I have all speakers on. This is on. This one is on. This is passenger side. That's good.
We all know that Christmas is a big commercial racket. It's run by a big Eastern
Back rear.
syndicate, you know.
That's good. All right, so there you guys have it. If you guys found this video helpful, please give it a like. Don't forget to share it, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Here's the connection right here. So there you have it. Try pulling it, won't come up. It's good. Screw back the panel. Not the panel, the door handle. So this bolt has to go back in there. After that, once you fill it in, pick it up a little bit so you can tighten the bolt. Alright, you go ahead and test it. Close the door and open it. Let's go ahead and do that. go ahead and unlock it. Alright, so there you have it. The last thing to put back is this bolt right here. This one right here, the Phillips. Just go ahead and do that now. Alright, just go ahead and replace the front. Pull out the connections. Same thing with this. I think it's better to connect this Phillips right here. Next thing is the handle. Same thing, let's go ahead and test it. Alright, let's go ahead and test it now. It's good. Same thing, go inside and open the door from the handle right here, which I did already. Nothing like this. The windows, power lock. Gotta put this back. Don't forget the bolts right here. Goes up there, and the two Phillips that go underneath. That one right there, and that one right there. So these speakers were all blown, and yeah, now the wifey has finally music. Yeah, it took a while. But yeah, we finally got it. I had to do extra work because this car had an amp on it. Well, has amp. But yeah, we just swapping the speakers that you have. You just have to make a connection to it. And yeah, there you guys have it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll catch you in the next one. And thank you for watching.